Hi folks, it's time for another RV park review, and this time we're in southeast Alabama near Dothan. In this video, we're going to be reviewing Hidden Hollow RV Park, about 10 miles south of Dothan, Alabama, on US Highway 231 at the Big Creek Gaming Resort. It's a great location. You've got a Love's truck stop about 20 miles to the south at the I-10 interchange. You've got a Flying J right up here in Dothan, about 10 miles. Full hookups, great sights. I'm going to tell you all about it. Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and love learning more about it, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this review. Also, leave us a comment, share our videos, and ring the bell to be notified when new content is available. It's Hidden Hollow RV Park. Now, it's not really a destination, but it is a great location, great place to stop, do a weekend, maybe overnight. You're gonna love it. Check this out. Hidden Hollow RV Park is located at the Crossing at Big Creek Casino, formerly the Country Crossing Gaming Complex. It has 75 very well-maintained RV sites, but if you're looking for shade, you're not going to find it here. All the sites are large, well-marked, level concrete pull-through pads. All are equipped with 20, 30, and 50 amp electric, water, sewer, cable, and a large trash container. The RV sites have no grill, no fire ring, or picnic tables. The bathhouse is one of the best that we've ever seen. There are 6 shower and restroom combos, each private and spacious. And I do mean spacious. We found the rooms to be very clean, and there was always plenty of hot water for those long showers. There is no covered pavilion or playground, but there is a shaded common gathering area with picnic tables and grills. There is a very nice fenced dog park separated for large and small dogs. It's equipped with lots of canine exercise activities and a watering station. The entire complex offers plenty of open space to stroll with your pup. The laundry room has 3 washers and 3 dryers. The cost is $250 each. You'll also find a bill changer and a laundry vending machine in this area. The park is bordered on 2 sides by dense woods, but all of the RV sites are located in the open. Your satellite and Starlink will have no problem getting a clean signal. There is park Wi-Fi available, and we had 4 out of 5 bars with our Verizon Jetpack. Dothan, Alabama is a city of about 70,000 residents, and you'll find everything you need. There are 2 major medical centers, countless retail outlets, and more restaurants than you can shake a fork at. We suggest trying 2 local favorites, Hunt's Seafood and Oyster Bar and a Dothan institution, Dobbs Famous Barbecue, family-owned and operated since 1910. There's a large camping world in Dothan as well. Overall, we highly recommend Hidden Hollow RV Park. It's a great place to stay with well-maintained sites, quiet surroundings, and the staff is friendly and helpful. Well, folks, Thanks for watching this review of Hidden Hollow RV Park near Dothan, Alabama on US Highway 231. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and all the adventure that goes along with it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell to be notified when new content is available. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, share our videos, and do please leave us a comment, especially if you stay here at Hidden Hollow. So until I see you again, fair winds and following seas.